Beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here. I told y'all we were going to be doing more backyard transformations. And today is another exciting day because we got another portion of the backyard poured.
Man, doing great for an 82-year-old man.
You're doing real great, man. Keep it up.
Listen, this backyard oasis is slowly but surely coming together, and every single step gets me more excited. The big part is that Royal's birthday is this coming weekend, and I definitely wanted this done before then. So this area right here had been needing attention for a while, and we finally decided to move forward and get more concrete poured so we can continue creating the relaxing backyard space we've been dreaming about. Y'all already know I want cozy, I want beautiful, I want peaceful, I want somewhere we can sit outside, relax, entertain, and just enjoy life. And let me tell y'all, the crew came out ready to work. They did such an amazing job. Everybody was moving with purpose, working hard, smoothing everything out, making sure everything looked right. I was peeping out the window, just watching everything come together and getting excited seeing the vision slowly unfold. And look at Mike supervising over there. Yeah, y'all know how he had to stand out there and make sure everything was done just right. He was walking around, checking everything, looking serious, and making sure the measurements were right. Baby, he was in full supervisor mode today. It's honestly so satisfying watching concrete being poured and smoothed out. Seeing something come from dirt and uneven ground to a clean, beautiful space just feels so rewarding. And this is only the beginning, beautiful babes. We still have more ideas for this backyard. I can already picture new patio furniture, beautiful lighting, plants, flowers, cozy sitting areas, maybe even a fire pit later on. Just a peaceful space where we can unwind and enjoy ourselves.
Okay, that's the way it looks right now. And then after a while, when it dries down a little bit, they're going to broom it, they call it. We'll be right back. When you see concrete poured and you see the little lines in it, like that's the way it's done.
Just a chore to me. It's healing, it's simplicity. I'm taking care of home, yeah. Heart in every corner I roam, yeah. Busy hands, but my soul at ease. This is where I find my peace. Folding dreams in the sheets to guide everything that we will find. Yeah. Yeah. Sunlight peeking through my window pane. Coffee brewing, got a lot on my brain. Dishes call.
Okay, this is the finished product. Here we go. We're gonna work around. Yeah, Miss Roya name right there, one of the grandchildren. Here we go. Round and around and around. Finished product right there. Right there. I have to say, it looked good to me. And I thank you. I thank you.
Every step got a purpose, child. Even tired, I still smile.
That is beautiful. Across there. And I'm gonna walk. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut the camera off. All right. I see her back here. And I'm showing you up through there was already here. And then we come and did this today. Man, that is so knocked out, guaranteed. I can't call his name, but goddamn it, call me 901-246-7545, and I will hook you up with the best and the cheapest in Memphis. Have a great day. My name is Mike.
And look how good this turned out. The crew really did their thing today. Everything looks so much cleaner already, and it's giving the backyard a whole new feel. I'm so thankful and excited to continue this transformation journey with y'all. If you enjoy home transformation videos, backyard makeovers, cozy lifestyle content, and watching us slowly build our little oasis, make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe, and become part of our family. Because beautiful babes, we are just getting started. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next video.
Home is love and home is me. Yeah. Home ain't just a place, it's a feeling.